He's just feeding off her.
Switch direction on that big circle.
Keep walking.
See what he does when he...
Yeah, he'll be good.
Okay, Catherine, you're following Natalie. Are those reins short?
Yeah,
All right,
if she has a meltdown, he has a meltdown.
Yeah.
Catherine, you're going to pass me. Because I don't know if Merlin does it, so it's all up to you. Follow us. Come
I
on.
think so. Go follow
Let's
her.
go.
But
Okay. Pay attention to me. You're on to I
Yep.
From there to there. Yep, from there to there. But you're going to sit up and ride. Don't cut it too close. You have to give me plenty of time to see it. What's that, dog? There you go. Sit up. All right, keep your legs on.
Let me get over here.
pictures, yep, and come right through here. And
Like that.
okay.
Take a look. You're going to get them nice and straight. A little more forward, Natalie. Catherine, you're going to pass me and walk right on through. Straight up. Where do I end up? Just go straight. You're overthinking it. Straight line. Walk. Good girl. Good, Catherine. Keep riding that.
Oh, they like that. Look at.
We gotta get one of these.
Oh yeah, look out. We have one anyway. Yeah, look at Merlin. He's taking his feet up.
All right.
Yay!
The one really funny thing some ponies sometimes do in the water is they like to stop and roll in it. So you absolutely do not let your ponies stop in the water. They have to keep walking forward. Do that circle if you feel like you're trotting too fast. You're fine. Get up, Natalie. Good girl. Those reins short, Miss Catherine. No, he's been in water. He didn't care. Catherine, I want to see those wings much shorter. Sorry. Sit up. Give yourself some spacing. All right. Sit up, Catherine. Good, Natalie. You want to do it? Yes. Okay. Remember, if he gets too fast, it's that little circle. So I want to see your reins super short. Give her plenty of time, though, Catherine. Good, Natalie. Good girl.
Good job.
Very good, Catherine. Super. And then walk before you get back to the group. So we never... Ashton, you just tell me when you're ready to get back on, okay? All right, Natalie, so lots of leg. If he doesn't land in canter, you're going to pick up canter right after the jump. Eyes on the up bank. Now eyes up. And canter. There you go. Nice big circle. He was on the right lead. I probably would have cantered the other way.
He would.
Oh,
He does flying changes.
okay.
She doesn't.
All right, did you make that decision to turn him so tight back to the group? Or did he make that decision?
I did.
You did? Are you sure? Okay.
film.
A little bit. But he has very, very little out in the field experience. He didn't trail ride. Yep.
How close she went to that jump, Natalie?
Yeah. Well, he's got a cute canter, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think not. He did 2.6. He did jump, but oh no. Good boy.
Good, Alex.
All right, Natalie, you got done that before?
Okay.
Yeah, I know, but you're not like jump it like you do.
He's gonna jump it. It'll be fine. Okay, wait, where are you going? You have to wait for her to finish. Sit up and ride, Natalie. Left leg. He's going away from the group, so you have to ride real hard. Rein short. Catherine, if you don't want to do the roll top, you don't have to do the roll top.
Oh, whoa.
Natalie!
Natalie, who tipped forward and stopped riding?
Wait, can I just try the jump right now without
Just
going
wait,
through
okay?
the water?
Just wait. Natalie, right rein, point him right at the middle. Do not let him turn away. He can stop in front of it, but he cannot turn. Don't let him turn. Sit up, give him a kick. Keep him in the middle. In the middle, in the middle. Good girl.
That was just now.
Way out there. Way out there. Now get him straight.
Yeah, because see, I've jumped a log before.
Yeah, that log's just like
The only one I'm worried about is that
the roll top.
one. Yeah, that one's just...
He'll like the roll top. They usually jump roll tops well.
Good.
Good.
Look where you're going. Don't come down.
Better let him stand there long range and keep your time out.
Sit up, sit up, sit up.
Kick,
Sit up,
kick, 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 kick.
Kick, come on, eyes up, eyes up, eyes up, eyes
Look
up.
at the far bank.
Keep him right in the middle. Good job.
Yay, Nat!
Good job. All right, Catherine. You gonna do the roll top or no? Or are you gonna decide once you do the walk?
I'm going to decide one.
Never told them about how you ride a bank.
Fine.
We do have one.
At this point, they just ride it like a jump.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right, Catherine. Walk. Sit up. Leg on. Eyes up. Sit up. Eyes up. Eyes up. Look at me. Look at me. Sit up. Come on. Give him a kick. Yeah, good job.
Whoa.
Good girl.
Good job, Catherine.
Natalie. Good job, Catherine. Good riding. If you start falling that water, you're going to walk him forward, okay? Eyes up. Good riding, Natalie. Okay, Natalie, go trot around and do that one more time. Just the down bank. Just trot that down bank. And then go past us. Don't run into us.
Got it going down?
Yes. Come on, trot.
We might have to take a day off school and come back.
Mm-hmm.
This is great.
Eyes up. If he starts to slow down, you sit back and kick him. Sit back and kick, kick, kick. Yeah.
Nice
good
job.
riding.
Nice job.
Yay, Nat! Look out, Catherine! Quick, quick! Out, out, out! Kick
Catherine,
out.
Blake, walk.
Come on, Catherine, walk! Get out of the water!
Kick, 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 kick. There we go.
Ah.
Okay, let's go. Two in a row.
1, 2, 3. Thank you. So, Ashton, this is good schooling